Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Beautiful bit of kit here. These are progressive Indian shocks for the Indian Scouts, okay? Very, very strong because, as you know, they're halfway up the swinging arm. Now, the springs on these standard are 285 to 555. Now, a normal shock will be 90 to 130 or even 240 on a Dyna to 350. These great shocks are progressive 444s, and that means it's got a reactive suspension, which means the harder you hit a bump, the more it fights it. And called frequency sensing technology, FST. Okay, now these numbers are 444-4246s. These are 11-inch versions, cracking shocks, you know, really high quality. So these are obviously chrome. They now don't do a chrome body, it's just black, chrome springs, chrome, etc. Now the other shocks you can see here also from Progressive, we've got quite a few options apart from the LAF exhaust, but we've got here, these are 412s, I believe. These are your 970s, your piggybacks, your top of the range like your Olins. These are Ultima, okay. These are Progressive again. They might actually be 420s, okay. These are obviously top of the range again. You turn the top to adjust them, but and these are the air shocks like you get on a Harley. We also do Ultima as well. But this is a soft tail shock. This is one of the two. The other one's air. Okay. So if you're interested in any great quality shocks, come over to Custom Cruisers or give us a call and we can advise you, because we'll actually get a shock that's suitable for your weight. You know, minimum and maximum weight, which is very important. It's not just a matter of getting a strong shock, a bit like riding a bloody hardtail. But you can also see here a typical example of stuff we do. You know, here's all your, God, I mean, where do you start? You know, we've got everything. You've got, these are all your different grips, footrest boards, you know, great quality flip boards, you know, where these things come out. But these are adjustable in 3 positions as well. Billet swinging arm for a soft tail gives you a 280 conversion. Okay, just got masses and masses of quality stuff. All Simpson, you know, Bell, Held, Gore-Tex, Triumph. Driving lights, Tuzo, good quality for the money, Simos, and you know, you name it, we've got it. We really have. We've got nitrous, we've got big bugger off bars, massive 1.25 inch arbs, proper brakes, billet 6s, P&M. You know, we've got all your performance machines, big starters if you've got Harley, because God knows you need one if you've got a big motor. Lots of air filters, etc. More shocks. These are drag, these are adjustable for preload and also ride height as well, which are very good. Different motors, big starters, you know, tuning stuff, billet wheels, all your service items, your oils, even your fork oils, your brake pads, you know, your plugs, service gear, t-shirts, pretty cool, loads of stuff like that. Here's just some of the oils that we do. Give an example, there are masses and masses of oils for bikes. You know, we do 1060 fully synthetic, which is like race quality. We've got the 2050 for the Harleys. We've got more nitrous kits. We've got custom seats. We've got luggage, you know, just you name it, luggage again. Different lighting, fast boat wheels that everyone goes raves about. Triumph jackets, they're genuine Triumph, Valkyrie parts, lots of footrests, etc. as well. So if you're interested in any great products, give us a call. 01773 835 666, customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Thank you.